everybody. Welcome back. How are you doing? Good, I hope. I am doing pretty good. A little tired today, but I have a small fall haul, and I think this is number 3 so far. I think it's 3. And I wanted to come on and show you what I got. And yeah, on my little escapades. Actually, yeah, it's a thrifted one and a couple of stores. And yeah, so first off, I was going through all my stuff, and I don't think Ariel knows I still have one of these, but she can use it for Halloween this year. I'm gonna hide it. It's one of these glow in the dark balloons. It glows in the dark. So cute. I thought maybe we could hook it to her or hook it to her bucket, you know. So I found that one. These are old. I got these, she was still real little, maybe 4 years ago or something. So she was like 7, 8 years old, something like that. And I didn't know I still had one. It says it glows up to 15 hours, so it'll glow overnight. She'll get a kick out of this when I bring it out. I went over to Delta, which is, when I go shopping, I can go to Nephi to go to Dollar General, which is north, like a half an hour, 45 minutes north, or I can go a half an hour kind of west, northwest, to Delta and go over that way. Well, I went to Delta because Ariel's wanted to go to her friend's house, so I took her over there. And so I stopped at the Family Dollar over there, which is bigger than mine here in town. And mine don't have this out yet. So I grabbed one of these. They had a bunch of them, but I only needed one because I have a little one that I put in the kitchen on my little shelf that 2 years ago I think I got it. And I thought it'd be cute to set them side by side this year, so I just only grabbed one. It was $3. Be cute. So that's going up in my fall stuff. And then the grocery store over there is smaller than Walmart, but bigger in my store. And they have a craft section. They have like a home decor section, like signs and stuff like that. And they have a baby section. You can go in and they have like clothes and stuff like that. So I was just going down those aisles. And they've got a little bit of Halloween out. And I was looking for mugs, but they didn't have any. But they did have ribbon, and I thought I wasn't going to buy any ribbon. I did buy only one, and I love it. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? And it's by Halloween Wire Ribbon. Doesn't say the brand, but there you go. And there is 2.5 inch, 3 yards. I thought that was gorgeous. And I don't have a lot of ribbon over here, but this is one that didn't look like cartoony, you know, and orange. And I have orange, so I just grabbed this one. I just grabbed one. I probably should have grabbed 2, but yeah, I grabbed one of those. I'll put it over with my Halloween ribbon. And then I wish I had a before picture of these. I got these at my thrift store last time I went shopping a couple of weeks ago. This part, and this part were brassy looking. This was black and this was black. So this was black, and I think this was black, and the rest of it was gold. And I brought them in, and I told my husband, I said, "You're going to paint these black for me?" He goes, "Why? They're pretty as they are." I said, "Nope, I want them black." So I had him spray paint them for me, and they are going to go up on my mantle with my little creepy trees. Oh, it's going to look so cute if I can get the rest of the stuff that I want. I'd like to find, I haven't got it out yet, but wouldn't that look cool? So I want to there's some more creepy stuff that I want to find. But this is my thrift little haul. And then I went and got this, and I got this. So is my little Halloween doohickey. I'm hoping my Family Dollar gets that. I did pick up, I already took it apart. I did grab another one of these. So I have two of them now. So I have two barn doors. I have two. They're just not the same. I may have my husband take this one off and put it over on this side, right here, so it looks like they open like that, or I can just take them off. But I gotta sand them down and sand this down and repaint them. I'm gonna paint them white, and I don't know where I'm gonna hang these, but I'm gonna hang them upstairs. But yeah, so I don't know when this will get done, but I did very much like those. So I did grab another one of those. So anyway, that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you tune in for the month of August. August and September, I'm going to be doing some stuff. In the end of September-ish is when I'll put Halloween stuff out inside the house, so we can enjoy it for a while. Because I take it right down right after Halloween, because right after Halloween my fall stuff stays out, but I start getting out Christmas stuff. I start getting out my Christmas stuff in November. So the house is usually all decorated by Thanksgiving. So that's when, the holidays for me start October. We got Halloween, and then we've got November, we have, October we have Ariel's birthday, and we have Halloween, and then we have Veterans Day, I believe, is in November, and then we have Thanksgiving, and then Christmas comes, so it's all right in a row, and then you have New Year's Eve. So yeah, it's fairly busy. So if you want to check out my other channel, which is my other, it's my business. I sell my dolls and stuff. It's Tiny Toes Reborn Nursery. It is linked down below, so if you like to go check that out, if you don't know about reborn dolls and all of that, you can go to my main page, and I have a description right there. So you can check that out if you'd like to. Not, don't, whatever. Just something else to watch and stuff. I'm actually trying to get organized. I have 2 channels, Facebook, 2 Facebooks, 2 Instagrams. I'm trying to get organized with my planner stuff. So that's my new thing. Anyway, enough babbling and chatting. Thanks for watching, and glad to have you. All the new people, thank you for coming. And we will see you all again soon. Bye now.